date is the 18th of September 2020. Here's Keskitalontie 2 to 4 staircase A. And the other staircase is staircase B. So we are in staircase A right now. To write it in the right way when I upload this on YouTube. The capacity is 4 persons or 325 grams. This one has only 4 floors and it was built in late 1990, completed in 1991. Turning 30 years old during 2020 and 2021. In the next year, 2021, it's going to be inspected again. And the serial number is A66158.
Siis asun tuossa Kehtiön Järvenpään puistokulmalla.
I love the smell inside.
Yeah, same here.
It is 30 years old, but it's still quite fresh. This button is very fresh. There's the floor 1 button is completely green without the number on it. Somehow I feel like the whole floor 1 buttons, all green ones, I haven't seen it so often on early 1990s Kone.
Yes.
Especially not from 1990. And it is bottom driven.
Yeah.
I have seen this much more often on mid 1990s Kone memorizations and
Yeah,
such.
same here. These tippaakin ways, mitä meitä nyt built so no descriptors.
Yeah. Back to floor 1. And it's also nice that they made it traction. Even though they had the possibility to make it route hydraulic,
Yeah.
it's bottom driven traction. I think maybe if this had been in Sweden, maybe they would have made it.
Yeah. That's
Thank you very much for watching.